Hello all, Wave Rider here, and we have here Large Friendship Fountain by Boomer, which comes from the Killer Value Assortment Pack from World Class Fireworks. Open cover to expose fuse, emit showers of sparks, and it's a violation of federal law to use this product in a manner inconsistent with its labeling. Safe and Sane by California seal there. And yeah, nothing special here. I've used these boxed fountains before, so I'm sure it's nothing special. Probably lasts 10, probably 15 seconds tops. But anyway, let's go outside and give this a try. Okay, we're outside, and we have another fountain to demo from the Killer Value Assortment Pack. It is the large Friendship Fountain by Boomer. Nothing special, emits showers of spark anyway. Let's go give this a try. With my experience with these boxed fountains, just open it up top, and then there's should be a tube in here. Yeah, which I have to straighten out real quick. So, there you go. It's straightened out. Fold this back. I could rip it off, but the lid button should be fine. Anyway, let's go give this a try. Let me find the light. Anyway, here you go. So here it is. Hey, crackling. Wow, this one's lasting quite a while. This is not bad. Again, it is only a $15 assortment, so I wasn't expecting a whole lot. But for now, it's not bad. Anyway, you guys have a great evening. Bye.